In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview customization for objects in HubSpot. We'll start right from your browser. Head to Google, type HubSpot, and open the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account as you normally would. For the best results here, make sure you have the permissions to change CRM settings, since we'll be adjusting how record previews look for your team. Once you're in HubSpot, look to the very top of the screen and click the gear icon. That takes you straight into Settings, which is where all customization lives. Inside Settings, find the area for CRM objects. If you're prompted to select an object, choose the one you want to work with, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. This ensures you're editing the right place. With the object selected, look for the More menu within that object's settings. Open it and choose Preview Customization. This is the tool that controls what your users see in the preview panel when they peek at a record without fully opening it. It's a great way to surface the most important information and speed up your team's daily workflows. On the Preview Customization page, click Create Team View. A team view lets you tailor the preview for a specific group, so different teams can see what matters most to them. It keeps things focused and reduces noise for your users. You'll now be in the editor. Here, you can remove or add a card to design the preview layout. Think of cards as building blocks. Compact panels that show key details like properties, recent activity, or related records. If a card isn't useful, remove it to streamline the experience. To add something new, click the plus sign in the layout. Then select Create Card to insert a new panel into the preview. When prompted to choose what kind of card to add, pick Activities. The Activities card brings calls, emails, meetings, notes, and tasks into view, which is incredibly helpful for quick context without opening the full record. After making your selection, click Save to keep your changes. When everything looks right, use the control at the top right to finish up. Your customized preview is now ready for your team view. If you ever need to adjust it, you can return to this editor and refine the layout as your processes evolve. Keeping previews clean, relevant, and action-oriented will help your team move faster and focus on what matters most. That's it! Your preview customization for objects in HubSpot is set up and ready to go.